This is Team 3, heading to the pharmacy.
We just lost contact with Fort-de-Bouc.
Barcelona, Montpellier, and Dubuque, all gone in a day.
475k. That's almost 20 kilometers per hour.
Without stopping.
You've got 2 hours max before it hits.
Calm down, man. Count your breaths.
Nah, let him stress. It sharpens him up.
You're a piece of shit, Eloise.
But you love me.
The less noise we make, the better.
Stay sharp. Lurker.
Eyes on the street.
Team 1's last transmission was from the pharmacy. Keep your eyes open.
Reloading here! I've got eyes on the pharmacy. Moving inside the pharmacy. It's stripped clean. No meds, no survivors. We have a body. It's Marcel.
Search him. It's in pockets. We're looking for supposed words. Anything that starts with CEF.
Reload! There he is! It's got me! Bastard caught me by surprise. Another body out back here. Not a good sign.
Let's get this over with.
Search those bodies.
Jeremy, we're checking out the church.
I don't like this. They're cutting it very close.
I can't stand the smell of puke at the base anymore. We're getting the men.
Keep fighting.
Lurker's dead!
Shut him up!
Reloading here! Seeker all over me! Someone shoot this damn thing! Open fire on the move! I'm pinned! Help!
That's it. We got enough.
Too close.
All teams, swarm incoming. Return to base now.
We'll be approaching from the north. Is there time?
Only if you hurry.
Team member needs some help! On your feet!
Be more efficient. You stop bleeding.
Someone shut that screamer up! Put down that screamer! Swapping out! Going heavy!
Move your asses!
Team 3, swarm is closing on northern gate. Hurry!
Good job.
Why is no one guarding the north gates?
There's no one left. Get inside.
Abandoning these gates is suicide for everyone.
God help you, Team 3. This shitty world doesn't deserve you.
If you can't hit their heads, go for the feet.
Shame they're not American. Bailey is an easier target.
You should see this.
Got some defenses. Time to fry some Zeke.
The mortar is ready.
Do your thing, Otto Charette.
Swarm coming from the street.
Enough games.
High voltage, bridge is ready.
Reload!
I was born for this.
Take the fire, asshole!
They shall not pass!
Get on the port tunnel! Give me a sec!
Anyone else enjoying this?
Activity on the harbor road.
We got an infector! The bull's on his way! Reloading here! Kill that bomber now!
Jeremy, threat neutralized.
That was the first wave. Team 2 is still taking heavy losses. They need help.
Of course they do. Where are they?
Approaching Cours Julien. The square.
Tell them we'll meet them there.
Stay quiet.
I see a lurker!
Thank you.
Reload!
Where are you, Team 3?
Almost there. Fucking Zeke are everywhere.
Fort Nulon is reporting a swarm like we've never seen before. We need you at the square. The army left weapon caches there when they withdrew. You've got to help Team 2 recover those weapons.
Thanks. Let's stay close.
What have you got for me?
Steady hands.
There he is! Lurker! Reloading here! Zeke's got it!
Lurker!
Bastard caught me by surprise!
We're moving through the shitty art museum. There's got to be something.
It'll do. Reload! We're at the square and not seeing Team 2.
This is Team 2. We're almost at the square. When the first van arrives, we need you to keep the dig back so my cutters can get the skyrocket moving.
Inspector's gone. I'm barely on my feet. I need meds. Look what I found. Okay, that's better.
Found some defenses.
Defenses ready to install.
The less noise we make, the better.
Auto turrets up.
Power grid is switched on.
Auto turret activated.
This is going to
You should see this.
The van is here.
Clear a way for the cutters.
Reloading here. They shall not pass.
Looks like that's it for now.
We're clear. It looks clear. We're coming
Keep
out.
those cutters alive!
Reload. Starting it up.
I'm at the cache. It's too loud. It's going to attract more.
You have to ignore fucking noise! You can't stop me!
Don't leave me alone out.
Damn, someone save him!
My goddamn ears! Kill that thing!
Lots to carry.
Please, get those boxes to the van!
Don't let the inspector near you. Stop it! Oh, there's shitloads of guns in here. We've got the inspector. Ben!
We cannot lose my guys!
Structure is open.
Here they come!
Freedom? The locker's open. Lots to carry.
Team 3, get those boxes to the back.
The boxes have to get to the van. It's open! Oh, there's shitloads of guns in here. Get them off me!
Damn, someone save it!
It's open. Full of boxes.
Team 3, grab those weapons! We're done here. Team 3, I'm going in. Get to my truck.
Swarm on the street.
Reload! I see a bomber! I took out the bomber!
No more expect.
Anyone else enjoying this? I see a lurker! Stay down!
Get to the truck.
We need to move. The mission's over.
Jeremy, we're heading back.
We lost contact with Fort Newland.
Shit!
Last transmission was about the size of the swarm. They couldn't see the end of it.
Our base won't hold, even with these weapons.
Nulon's missile cover is critical. We have to reach them.